Hey, how's it going? I'm Nick Gaskin, and welcome back to ICOULDDOTHAT.DIY for another super epic craft for Pride. Today we're making some tie-dye t-shirts. Here are all my tie-dye colors. Right here, today we're using some RIT dyes and all of my bottles. I got really tiny squeeze bottles, so that's why there's so many, because we're probably using 2 for each color. I'm also using a turkey baster, a cooking thermometer, I said needle nose pliers, some rubber bands, some gloves, this big Tupperware container, and this grate to elevate the t-shirt. So yeah, let's get started by prepping the t-shirt and then prepping the dye. Okay, so today we're doing a couple different designs I'm going to try to do. The first one I'm just going to do is just the basic gay spiral. So let's start with that. Let's pinch at the center. Let's do the center. Let's try that again. Just keeping all these pleats pretty tight as I'm doing it. So I want a nice spiral. Okay, I'm going to use some rubber bands to secure it. Alright, one. Let's do something different for this one. Okay, what should we do? Let's do a swirl and then some crumbles. Maybe? Sure. This one's probably gonna look crazy, but whatever. Let's see how it looks. Okay. 2 more. For this one, I think I'm gonna do that thing where I fold it in half within itself and then pleat it. Let's do that. Let's fold it in half within itself and then pleat it, I guess. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna pleat it this way first. Okay. Put it in there. Right. And then I'm going to do some pleats this way. Oops. Knocking over my bottles. So I'm thinking I'm going to spiral this now too. Okay, something like that. Cool. One more. What am I going to do with this one? Can I do a double spiral? Is that a thing? Let's try to do a double spiral. Spiral from this corner. Okay. Spiral there. Right. So this one, I'm going to do this way. Here. Okay, Okay, so we have all of our shirts all twisted up in rubber bands. Let's go prep the water and make some dye. Alright, let's prep the water. Let's start by heating the water on the stovetop to above 160 degrees. We'll add a tablespoon of liquid dish detergent and then we'll also add some salt. Alright, let's prep the dye. Shake all your dye bottles well, and then add some dye to the squeeze bottle and then also add some hot water with the turkey baster. Shake well to combine everything together, and then yeah, you have some dye. I didn't really make any measurements for this, I kind of was just winging it. So let's do the first one, the spiral. I think this is the spiral? I don't know, this is the first one we're doing. So, yeah, okay. Okay. Let's flip it over and then do the other side. Okay, once you're done, 3 more to go. Let's do it. Set this off to the side. Okay, this one is the spiral crumple. This one I'm going to do something different. Let's just put color kind of in stripes, maybe? That's the second one. So I'm probably going to run out of color. So let's just keep going. I'll figure that out when I get to it. This one, I'm going to do this other thing where they just put colors all over it. So let's just do that since we're running out of color. Let's do some here. Boop. And one more. I think I need to make my colors. Be right back. I'm going to do it off screen. Okay, let's do the last one. Okay, I think that's done. Okay. So now I'm going to wrap these in a plastic bag and let them cure for 24 hours. So let's check in tomorrow and see how they turned out. Bye. Hey, we're back. It's the next day. So I'm going to start by taking these out of the bag. It's been 24 hours. And then I'm going to rinse them in cold in my stainless steel sink. But first I'm going to take them out of the bag. Before I unravel it, I'm going to keep them in a bundle, rinse it, and then unravel it. So let's start with taking them out. Okay, so we'll go one at a time and start rinsing them. Go. And when I'm rinsing them, I'm just keeping them flat to make sure that the colors don't bleed into each other. Okay, hi. So we're all rinsed out. Let's unravel some. Let's start with this guy. So we'll unravel him, or her, they. We'll unravel them. Just cut rubber bands. Careful not to cut your shirt. Alright, let's see how it turned out. Ooh, that one's pretty cool. Very pink. Okay, not bad, pretty cute. Pretty cute. Can you see it? There we go. Here's one. Let's do the crazy one. Crazy one's pretty nice, so let's start there. Or not start, second one. But let's do that one. Oh, this one's weird. Oh wow. This one turned out nuts. So cool. Oh my god. So cool. Alright. Let's do this one. This is so exciting. These are so cool. And this one's the pleated one. Oh, I did. This one I folded within itself too. Oh wow. That's cool. Kind of has like a sunset quality to it. Really cool. Alright, last one. Ooh, this one's just a cool classic spiral with a crumple. This one's nice too. There we go. So that's everything. I'm going to wash and I'm going to wash these some more and rinse them out some more, and then I'll show you them after they're all dried and rinsed out fully. Alright. So here's the final result after I rinsed everything out with cold water again and then washed and dried it fully. The color retained really well and I'm really happy with how they all turned out. Right? Pretty good for Rit dye. Not bad. Let's go look at the next one. This is the traditional spiral. The colors are really evenly balanced and it looks really good. I'm really happy with how this one turned out. Let's go look at the next one. So this one is the double spiral funfetti one, I call it. It's really cool. I'm really happy with how this one turned out. This one's one of my favorites. We have the one spiral here and the other one here, and this is one where I put the colors on at random. This one's really cool. I'm really happy with how this one turned out. It really does look like a funfetti cake. Next one. Hi. This one is the spiral and the crumple where I put the color on and then diagonal. This one is okay. They're all really cool and I all really like them, but this is my least favorite. Shh. Don't tell the shirt. But yeah, anyway. Let's go look at the next one. This one is the spiral pleated gay sunrise is what I call it. It's really cute. It somehow looks kind of slimming, maybe? I don't know. But it's a gay sunrise. Yeah. So that's all the shirts. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope it helped. I really love how they all turned out, and yeah. I was kind of just winging it. I watched a lot of other YouTube videos to get a hang of even what I was doing, but yeah. Rit dye works perfectly fine. And what I did worked out perfectly fine. This is it after I've washed and dried them with soap and water. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope it helped. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest projects. Thanks. Bye.